Lust feels powerful, but it is not uncontrollable. It is simply a habit your brain has been trained to follow, and like every habit, it can be unlearned with the right system. Most people think lust is just a natural urge they have to fight every day. But in reality, it is a cycle created by triggers, thoughts, and instant rewards that keep repeating. Step 1 is awareness. You must identify exactly what triggers your lust, whether it is social media, boredom, stress, loneliness, or certain environments, because you cannot defeat a problem you refuse to observe. Step 2 is removing fuel. Lust grows when you constantly feed it with images, videos, and fantasies, so reducing exposure to stimulating content immediately weakens the urge at its source. Step 3 is controlling the first 5 seconds, because lust doesn't start as an explosion, and it starts as a small thought. And if you learn to redirect your attention the moment it appears, the urge loses its power before it grows. Step 4 is replacing the habit instead of just fighting it. When the urge hits, move your body, do push-ups, take a walk, call someone, or focus on meaningful work. Because energy that is not redirected will always return to the same old pattern. Step 5 is rebuilding discipline and purpose. Lust becomes strongest when your life feels empty, unstructured, and meaningless. But when you have goals, routines, and real progress, your mind naturally craves achievement more than cheap pleasure. The truth is, lust does not disappear by motivation or guilt. It disappears when you change your environment, your inputs, and your daily actions. Self-control is not a personality trait. It is a skill built through small, consistent choices. If you follow these 5 steps every day, the urges slowly lose their intensity, your mind becomes calmer, and you regain respect for yourself. Master your habits and you master your desires.